Good morning everyone. I am Kenneth Gamelo and I am going to tackle about finding the base and the height of the parallelogram. But first, let us discuss some properties of parallelogram for you to understand it clearly. The first property of parallelogram is that it has two pairs of parallel sides. In this figure, line segment NE is parallel to line segment AM, and line segment NA is also parallel to line segment EF. The second property of parallelogram is that opposite angles are congruent. In this figure, angle NEM is congruent to angle NAM, and angle ANE is congruent to angle AME. The third property of parallelogram is that diagonals bisect each other. In this figure, line segment EA bisects line segment NM. Now, let us proceed in solving some problems involving parallelogram for you to understand. Problem number 1. If NM bisects AE at O and angle NOE is equal to 60, EA is equal to 12, and NM is equal to 10, find the base and the height of the parallelogram. Based on the third property of parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other, we can clearly state that if NM is equal to 10, then NO is 5 and OM is 5 also. And if EA is equal to 12, then EO is equal to 6 and OEA is equal to 6. Based on the given, angle NOE is equal to 60 degrees, then it follows that angle EOM is equal to 120. Because angle NOE and angle EOM are supplementary, meaning the sum of their angles are 180 degrees. To find EM, I use the formula B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine B. B is equal to square root of A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine B. Since I let EO represents A and OM represents C and EM for B, then you have to substitute the value. B is equal to the square root of 6 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 times 6 times 5 cosine 120. Then bring out your calculator to calculate this. Then you will come up to the answer